Okay, so I kind of overcomplicated this, but so here's the little thing, little cat thing. Here's the dog, and all you do is hook it around. You screw this little screw thing in it. You hook it around the door, and then just put it right in that hole. This is probably really a poor video, but I think I totally overcomplicated it and tried to do way more than was necessary. It's so easy.
So this is the latch. This is how it comes. And it's so easy. You just slide it over your doorknob and clip these wherever you need them to be. And then when you go out of the bathroom or wherever your cat box is, you just latch it, stays, cat can get in, dog cannot. Problem solved.
So I got this thing that you clip onto here, and that way I could have the door open for Gingy. Isn't this cool? And have Timmy outside, or because Gingy panics because if I close the door completely, she thinks I abandoned her outside. You know, they could go in and out, and I don't have the door wide open or it freaking flying because of the wind.
Yeah.